How to turn on incognito mode on your YouTube on PC. What's up everyone, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can easily do that. First off, you're going to have to head over to your web browser and then simply go to youtube.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, unlike your browsers, you cannot directly enter a incognito mode on these specific websites such as YouTube. But what you can do instead is you can change your watch history and you can turn off your history to turn on incognito mode. So as you can see here on your web browser, if you go to the three dots and from here you can go to the incognito window to not have any history on your browser, and it's going to delete immediately. You can do the same for your YouTube as well. Tap on your profile icon. As you can see, there is no incognito mode here, but what you can do is go to your data in YouTube and it's going to take you to your YouTube dashboard. Now just scroll down and go to YouTube controls. Now all you have to do is go to YouTube watch history and then turn it off. Tap on this, scroll down and then turn off your YouTube watch history. Now what it does, it's going to pause your YouTube history, but this may limit or disable more personalized experiences across Google services. You may also get recommendations for a video you've already watched. So just tap on pause, and once you turn off your watch history, tap on got it, and then go back to YouTube. So I'll just go back here. Now a kind of incognito mode will be turned on. So if I just go ahead and open any video and play any video, it's not going to be on my history. That's the whole point of the incognito. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.